Hi, welcome to Lighter Fix. My name is Felicia. In this video, I'll share with you on how to fix Instagram save audio not showing. Now, the first thing you have to do is to go to your Play Store and make sure you have the updated Instagram app. If it shows open, it means that your Instagram app is updated. But if it shows update, you just have to click on it and update it. The next thing you can do is to go out from this page, search for your Instagram. Now you click on the app steadily, click on app info. From this section you have to click on storage and cache and clear your cache. So when you clear your cache, it makes it more easier for you to have easy access to your Instagram and easily make use of it. Look for the audio very fast, and it's, if you have not saved it, when you save it, it will work for you fast and save faster. Now the next thing we can do is to go back to our Instagram app. So right here, all you have to do is to select the particular video that you want to copy the sound. So let's say this video, I want to save the sound of this video. This video don't have sound, so let me look for the one that have sound. So right here, you just click on the sound icon here, click on original audio. So right here, you're going to see save, this copy kind of shape here. Just click on the save here. So when you do that, to see your save audio, you just click on your profile, click on three lines at the top right corner, click on save. So right here you see all your collections, you see your save audio, save video, and even your posts. So just click on the audio option here. So these are the list of audios I just saved, and look at the last one here, which is this Cherry River. So you just click on it and make use of it the way you want. So guys, that's it on how to fix save audio not working on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please do well to follow Glider Fix for more fun tricks that make money. Thanks for watching.